This bike that we put together is the brand new Yamaha Super Ténéré. For the brand new Ténéré, we put on the Zega Pro pannier system and a Zega Pro top box. We put on crash bars and a skid plate, a pair of fog lights, a headlight guard, hand guards, and a windscreen, adjustable windscreen bracket that has a GPS mount built into it. That allowed us to mount a locking Garmin Montana mount on there as well. One of the parts of my job here is building the new motorcycles that we get and installing all the new Touratech parts for them. It's an important thing for us to do because we get to test how the parts fit on the North American bikes, if there are any differences from the European machines, as well as it gives us the experience to do tech support with customers when they have any questions down the line on how to install pieces. For this particular project, we built the bike to be used as a touring bike. The nice thing about one of these big bikes here is that they are capable of going off-road on gravel roads or off pavement, but at the same time they're really effective as road tour bikes. And so in order to put nice break-in miles on the bike, and we set it up for my wife and I to go do a multi-day trip. There are two parts that really stand out on the bike for me. The first is the panniers. Without the ability to carry luggage on a big motorcycle like this, it's almost wasted in my opinion. The bikes are so capable at covering great distance and over great terrain that you really need a luggage system that's capable of the same. Carry a lot of weight and carry it over rough terrain without falling apart. It's wonderful going on trips with my wife. It's really nice having her on the bike and having both of us away from distractions for a while. Get a lot of time to connect with each other and communicate on the bike and just be close. Motorcycling for me is always a really personal thing, but it's great to have the opportunity to share it with someone who's important to you. And my wife had a great time on the trip, and it's just really neat to share a lot of those experiences because you can talk about it later and you both kind of went through the same thing together. So that was really nice for both of us to be on the trip together.